Hello and welcome back. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error. So the error is this site cannot be reached for whatever reason. Okay, so this happens only because the DNS you have on your network is not able to resolve XYZ, the domain name, okay, xyz.com or whatever you have. Okay, so this is happening just because your DNS is not able to look up that particular domain name. Okay, to fix it we will go ahead and change the DNS. So the most easiest way to change DNS across devices on your network is simply go ahead and look the IP address on your Wi-Fi. So on my Wi-Fi it's 192.168.0.1. Go ahead and log in. So whatever the password is, then type in the username, password and your wireless security password. Okay, log in. Okay, in most of the case you got your DNS by your internet service provider, so that's going to be default DNS. Could be, so whatever the name of your service provider is, but that can be changed. You can see I've got 111, so these are 4 ones, and then I've got 1001. so locate where you can change the DNS from. So I've got DNS settings here. Okay, and if it's not checked, if you've got any option to enable manual DNS, go ahead and check that box and type manually. This is Cloudflare's DNS, which is the fastest DNS on the planet, so you definitely want to go ahead and try this. This is going to speed up the DNS lookup process. Okay, so you will see your internet bits faster than it was before. So this is going to be primary DNS 1.1.1.1, and this is alternate DNS, which is also called secondary DNS. So go ahead and type this 1.0.0.1 and hit OK, and you are done. Now this is going to change DNS across the internet, your network. So any device that you have, like whatever device, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, Windows, it's going to change DNS to 111, so Cloudflare's DNS. So once it's done, what you need to do, go ahead, if you're using Windows, Microsoft Windows, go ahead and look up for this command prompt. You don't need to do this, but if you do it, it's going to just clear all the DNS. So simply it's going to flush all the DNS. So simply say IP config flush DNS, hit enter. Successfully flush the DNS. Resolver cache. So cache has been flushed. Now you can go ahead and look up that particular website, and you make sure that you clear the browser cache before you try. So simply press Ctrl and F5 to clear the browsing cache, the browser cache, whatever browser you're going to use. So simply press Ctrl F5, and that's going to fix everything on your computer. So this is how you fix this site cannot be reached issue on Microsoft Windows 10, probably on Mac and Linux as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any issue, please leave in the comment below. I will try to answer it ASAP. Thank you and have a good day.